Morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We happen to have here one of our 383 Chevys. Customer opts for the 500 horsepower edition. Just got done making about 520 horsepower, about 515 foot-pounds of torque. Nice. We got the AFR heads on this one. We got a nice steel crankshaft here, H-beam rod, forged pistons, all hand-filed rings, Clevite bearings, all beautiful pieces in this engine. We love custom building engines for people. We love custom painting engines. This one was custom painted blue. We even painted the valve covers. Again, the motor's gorgeous. It runs fantastic. Give us a call and let us put something together for you. 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you.